Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A4 and Ford Fusion. We'll explore how these two sedans, one a luxury compact and the other a mainstream midsize, stack up. The Audi A4 is known for its sophisticated design and premium features, appealing to those seeking refinement. In contrast, the Ford Fusion offers practicality and value, making it a popular choice for everyday driving. We'll delve into their performance, interior amenities, and overall ownership experience to help you understand their distinct characteristics. For performance, the Audi A4 typically offers turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engines, with power outputs reaching up to 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. It often comes standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive, providing excellent grip and handling. The Ford Fusion has offered a range of engines, including a 2.0-liter EcoBoost producing up to 245 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. It's available with both front-wheel drive and optional all-wheel drive. Stepping inside, the Audi A4 presents a luxurious and meticulously crafted cabin, featuring high-quality materials and a sleek design. It often includes a 10.1-inch MMI touch display and an available 12.3-inch virtual cockpit for a modern tech experience. The Ford Fusion offers a spacious interior with comfortable seating for five, providing ample head and legroom. Its infotainment system typically includes an 8-inch touchscreen with Ford's Sync system, offering essential connectivity and convenience for daily commutes. Considering value and ownership, the Audi A4, as a luxury sedan, typically has a starting price around $43,000, offering a premium experience and sophisticated engineering. Its fuel economy can reach up to 32 miles per gallon on the highway. The Ford Fusion, positioned as a mainstream sedan, generally starts around $24,000, providing a more accessible entry point. It offers competitive fuel efficiency, with some models achieving up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway, and even higher for hybrid variants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.